Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining tonight's program. Tonight we will speak about the AI. You know, most of the heard a lot of news about the AI, and I believe in the IT sector it's impossible to not to speak AI anymore. Nowadays everyone's speaking about the AI, and it's so important, and it's grows exponentially, not linear. And this shows us its importance. And because of this, I believe as a IT professionals, we need to understand what's going on in this world, what's going on in AI world, and we need to use this for our future. Because in the future, maybe we need more than now, and maybe it covers a lot of areas, and we need to use AI. Because of this, I believe these kind of programs are so important. Maybe even we made every week another AI program, different tools, different progress we can show in this kind of programs. And even this is not enough because it grows too fast and it's hard to reach its speed. And because of this, we need to work hard in this area. Because of this, today we will speak about how the AI will affect in the future of coding in the IT professionals, and we can see what's going on, what's changing in the coding area using the AI. And because of this, we will have friends in here tonight. He will speak, and he's a profession in this area. He's especially researching these kind of things, AI tools, and he's working in this area, and he will share his experiences for us. Okay, now I think Harun is here. Harun, now you can continue.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining for today. Sorry about my camera. We have unexpected problems opening the camera, unexpected problem. So I cannot share my face and my camera. Sorry about it. Yes, today we are going to talk about the future of coding. In first 15 minutes, we will dive into how the coding is evolving and how this key trends shaping its future, and we will see about the new world. Maybe when we compare about the past and now, something is changing rapidly, and all these things, happening in short time. First 15 minutes or 10 minutes, we will discuss about it. And also, some people, they are afraid of losing their job. What will happen? What if AI will take all our jobs, and how can we work? I don't agree with all these things, because I know that something is getting better and better. All these things also tools. If we use all these tools in our life effectively, then we will be more effective in our life. So we should accept these things, then we should continue by using all these tools effectively. Okay, the first thing is also all this picture is created by AI tool. Also, we will discuss about all these things. There are some spelling mistakes. These are not mine. These are AI mistakes. It made all these things. Sorry about it. Yeah, let's imagine a world without code. It is nearly impossible, because from software that runs our smartphones to algorithm driving cars and websites, when we see all applications, they're using coding. It is part of our life. If we take out the coding from our life, now it is impossible to live. So coding is part of our life. First of all, we should accept this. And then second things, coding has come along since its inceptions. We have transits from the punch cards and assembly language, the high-level language, and modern frameworks. But we don't know what does the future hold. It will change. It will get better. Maybe it will cover whole, steps all our life, and we will see. Yeah, maybe today's topics also this one, artificial intelligence and coding. One of the most transformative trends is the artificial intelligence and its coding process. AI assist the codings can significantly speed up the development, and then also it reduce the errors and even generate code from the natural language requirements. When we use it, then we are thinking about why we have wasted our life by typing code, because it is easy to make something with artificial intelligence. When I see my friends, they are also thinking about, oh, if people use the artificial intelligence, how can they use the coding? No, we should learn the coding, as we mentioned beginning of this video. But with the artificial intelligence, we don't need to waste our time. Just we will give the command and it will make everything for us. If there are some small changes, if we know coding, also we can make it, but no need to type something again and again. That's why artificial intelligence is very important. All our life, also my life. Yeah, the next one is the low code and no code developments. It is also very favorite these days, and people, they started to use low code and no code platform. With all these things, you don't need to use code, or you can do some things with the using less codes. For example, WordPress, all we use our life with the less code, we can make our websites. But is everything possible with the low code or no code development? No, it is not possible. Also, we should accept some things with the low code and no code developments. You don't need to hire people to make your design, but if you hire some things, it will be more expensive, but some things will be maybe more professional. It is so competitive, but it doesn't mean with the low code and no code we can do and we can handle everything. It has many positive and negative advantages and disadvantages, pros and cons. Yes, we mentioned also about it, and then it is very
Sorry, Harun Hocam, sorry, I am divided your presentation, but maybe low code and no code is important part, because maybe no code can be a future, some work area for some IT professionals. Even they don't need to write too much coding, and they can create websites, mobile applications using the no-code platforms, and they can sell this kind of platforms, for example, agencies or this kind of platforms. But still, some people develop this kind of no-code platforms. Right? Still, they are doing this kind of this. Still, there are some coding behind these platforms, and still, people are coding this kind of platforms, working in the IT professionals behind these platforms.
Yes, it's getting people they are using, and it's getting to more favorable every day, and it takes very important role. But also for the low code and no code developments of the, the backends and front ends, the people are working to develop it. So it doesn't mean low code and no code developments will take everything. No, it will make something easy for coding, and it will make something easy for the people who doesn't know coding, but it doesn't mean it will cover everything. Yeah, here these things I mentioned about, there are some people, they afraid of the these things, if the low code and no code is come, then will destroy our job. No, it won't destroy. It will make something easy, we know, but it won't take everything. But if you use all these tools effectively, it will make our life also, better. And then quantum computing. Yeah, just I wanna hear about you. Have you heard about it? Could you please raise your hand?
Yeah, it's so popular nowadays in Finland. Even more than one quantum computer in Finland there.
Let me check our friends. Just I'm wondering, because also I am new about this topic. I think no one. Yes, quantum computing is about little physics, but quantum computing doesn't accept all physics rules. Normally, classical computer works with the bits, but quantum computing works with the qubit. And these aspects of the computer is utilize the quantum mechanics to solve complex problems faster than classical computer. Yeah, it is very important. It solves the complex problems faster than classical computer, but we should also accept it. It is new, like AI, maybe 5 years or 10 years later, we will hear more about it. Then it will also completely change our life. Everything will be faster than now. And then we can do everything in short time. We hope it will also come early than expected time. Yeah, cybersecurity challenges also. People they are doing, new things by using AI. Some people may be good guys, sometimes people they may do bad things, but this fighting will continue. So cybersecurity challenges will be very important also people life for the both sides. If your branch is the cybersecurity, then you can develop yourself as a AI expert cybersecurity. End of the presentations also we will mention about it. In future, maybe doctor will continue to do their own job, also teacher, but the people they will look for doctor who knows AI and coding, teacher like who knows AI and coding. Yeah, we know all these things very important for whole our life, not like just IT guys. Sorry guys, I am a little bit sick, that's why. Okay, we mentioned about the cybersecurity. It will be very big challenges for bad guys and the good guys in future. Let's see what will happen. And then cross platforms developments also very favorite in future with the AI for develop some things with the for phone and different platform. It will make with the AI easier to write code and deploy the multiple platforms. It will reduce development time and cost. Now, as you know, it is a little bit difficult cross-platform development, but with the AI, it will get more it will get easier than now and cheaper than now. This is very important also. And then I'm going to mention about also Internet of Things. It will same things like a cross-platform. It will get more popular. And the last thing is coding, AI, and education.
Sorry, maybe the Internet of Things also important because nowadays the smartwatches, smart TVs, smart refrigerators, smart vacuum cleaners, everything is smart and goes to the all of these kind of things also needs some coding.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it will goes and goes. Maybe all the things in the future, in the kitchen, in the sitting room, in the bedroom, everywhere will be. They are now implementing to the mirrors, to the smart mirrors, and this kind of things always in the maybe in the future everything will be connected to the internet, and if something connected to the internet, it's requires some working code in the background, and these also affects to the IT professionals. I think everything is goes and goes every day, and every day it requires more IT professionals. But with the maybe working time shortens with the AI, this kind of things maybe affect what will going on.
Yes, it will affect both sides. When we even think about just the robots, it will be part of our life. Yeah, both of them, AI and the coding, will be better and will change our whole life from, very deep. We should be aware of all these things. Yes, let's move on. Coding, AI, and education. Here, just I want to mention about the three things about the coding in education, AI, and now when I see from the people, they are thinking about if small kids, if they use AI, then they cannot learn. They cannot just from traditional education, we were reading, we were memorizing, and then we were trying to explain some things. We were forcing ourselves to do something. Before it, have worked like this, but now it is completely different. We have new learning method. As a teacher for more than 10 years teaching experience, when I see the students, just they were memorizing, but with the AI, you should learn how to use all these data. And then if you know how to use AI, you will learn faster than before, and then you will make your life easier than before in short time. Here, we don't need to afraid of, oh, with the AI, my kid will do all homework from Chatgpt, and then she cannot learn. Don't think like this. Just try to find effective way by learning with AI. It is very important. And then in future, people, they will start to coding from small, like 5 years old, 7 years old. Then if they learn coding and AI early ages, in future, they will be effective and they will change the whole world. They will make the world better places. That's why don't afraid of AI. Yeah, it is very important. I mentioned also about it, the doctors and the workers, everyone will use AI in future. And then if our kids, they learn coding and AI in earlier than others, then in future they will be more effective. Please keep in your mind, it is very important. Don't afraid of AI. We mentioned about all these things. Yeah. Let's move on.
Then it will affect everything. Nowadays, last time we were speaking with our friends, they were saying about something about AI. Nowadays, we are saying everyone's speaking about AI, but they don't know what they are speaking about. Maybe what will do. What if you remember when the first internet entered our lives? Even that times we didn't know what will happen with the internet. And now AI, the futurist says it's the new internet. It's changed everything in the future because now AI is less than 1 year in our world, in our life. Less than 1 year. Think about it. Internet is more than 20, 30 years in our life. And in the future, AI, of course, will change everything. Maybe we cannot understand these kind of things nowadays. Maybe it looks so challenging for us, but for our children and maybe for us also, because it's like before I said, it grows exponentially. It will change everything.
Yeah, the important thing, here, combining artificial intelligence with the educations, and if we create the dynamic synergy that personalize the learning experience and empower the students to reach their full potential. It is important. Students, they will reach their full potential if they can combine artificial intelligence and coding with the education. That's why we should focus on both things. Yeah, in conclusion, in the future, coding is full of the promise and the challenges. Yes, with the AI and low-code platform, no-code platform, and then quantum computing, these will continue to transform our world. Also, educations will shape our future. Yeah, let's move on with something real life project or small example.